Okay, so here we've got talking about HH7. Okay, so we've got data here. Okay, so what you're finding is the on this here problem we're finding what is the lower quartile. Okay, so your overall median is 10. Okay, so it's the middle of your data. Okay, so you're breaking it down to find the first quartile in your lower set of data, your third quartile in your upper set of data, which is right here, which is right here, okay? So our first quartile here is going to ask us the first quartile, okay? So the first quartile is 6, of course, okay? So it's the middle number here on this last set of data here, okay? So upper set of data, the third quartile is the middle from your data set up, okay? So you got 10, you got 12, 14, 16. So your upper third quartile is 14, okay? So first quartile is 6. Third quartile is 14, okay? So that's your lower and upper quartiles, okay? Now, if we're looking for something called the interquartile range, what you're going to see abbreviated a lot of times is IQR, okay? So you take your third quartile, subtract your first quartile. So here in this instance right here, a third quartile, which is the larger one, you're always going to do the third minus the first. Third quartile is 14 minus first quartile is 6, okay? So we can see that our first quartile is 6, lower quartile is 6, or first quartile. Upper quartile or third quartile is 14. To find the interquartile range, IQR, you take your third quartile minus your first quartile, okay? So your third quartile in this instance is 14. Subtract your first quartile, which is 6. So 14 minus 6, as we know, is 8. So our interquartile range is 8.